Hey everybody, when I was in high school all those years ago, I was obsessed with certain bands and wearing my concert t-shirts to school like a very proud badge of honor. My first concert was the Go-Go's at Red Rocks in Denver, Colorado, and I wore that t-shirt until I had to cut out the logo and pin it to my jean jacket. It's a very good look. To me, nothing felt better than wearing these cotton t-shirts that expressed who you were without having to say a single word. I would also spend endless amounts of time painstakingly cutting out letters in contact paper and spray painting my own concert t-shirts. Well, recently I was contacted by a company called Yamation who told me about a sublimation printing hack for fabric called DTF, which means direct to film. Now, if you were into sublimation printing at all, then you know that you can only print on polyester fabrics, and this allows you to print on cotton fabrics and pretty much any other fabric. Also, you can use this hack with an inkjet printer, your regular home printer, so they definitely had my ear. Now, if you follow me, you know I'm all about printing my own t-shirts. Either make your mark t-shirts or a t-shirt for a family gathering. And for this particular project, I definitely wanted to revive a couple of my favorite band logos. So, are you ready? Let's try this Yamation direct-to-film printing hack using a sublimation ink printer and my regular inkjet printer. The rock t-shirt had its origins in the late 1950s via an Elvis fan club. However, these tees were rarely worn in public. Then in 1968, rock concert promoter Bill Graham decided to use concert tees as a way to help promote local bands like the Grateful Dead and Jefferson Airplane. The first manufactured t-shirt was invented between the Spanish-American War in 1898 and 1913 when the U.S. Navy began issuing them as standard undershirts. The most expensive vintage concert t-shirt is the Nike and Beatles Revolution Rare Vintage t-shirt from 1987, selling for a whopping $50,000 on eBay. In 1987, an ad campaign used the Beatles song Revolution, and the three living members of the group opposed the use of the song, but Michael Jackson owned the rights. Still, Nike decided to pull the commercial and the products anyway. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll catch you next week. Bye.